Kelp is not a plant, and it even reproduces in a bisexual way. Today, let's take a look at the production process of kelp. First, we choose mature kelp, which has dark brown patches in the middle. For breeding, the dark parts are cut out, and the surface mucus and impurities are scraped off. Then, it's wrapped in paper towels and stored at low temperatures for a period of time. As a bisexual organism, the kelp sperm cell and egg cell combine to form kelp seedlings. The seed workers will put cotton threads into seawater containing kelp seedlings. Once the seedlings grow to about 2 centimeters in length, they are manually transferred onto thick hemp ropes. Then, the ropes are placed into the ocean for free growth. After approximately 5 to 7 months, they are ready to be harvested. Workers use machines to pull the ropes onto the boat and cut the kelp off. It is then transported to the port and lifted onto trucks to be taken back to the factory for drying. The kelp is divided into equal lengths and spread out on drying grounds. It is covered with mesh nets to dry off the excess moisture from the kelp. And that's how kelp is made.